Space experiments have tested everything from 4K cameras to growing leafy greens in zero-G, so why not send human swimmers to the ISS to see what happens when they float around up in the great beyond? Sperm in large image at NASA's Kennedy Space Center. Researchers prepare sperm samples for launch to ISS. NASA on Monday. NASA sent frozen human and bull sperm to the ISS to test what happens when it's exposed to anti-gravity. It's just one of an array of science experiments, ranging from biological tests related to astronaut health to studies involving grass and probiotics, headed to the space station aboard a SpaceX rocket as part of a mission called Micro 11. Crew members will thaw and chemically activate the sperm samples to fertilize an egg. They will then videotape the sperm movements, and send data back home to Earth for more scientific analysis. Based on previous experiments, it seems the lack of gravity facilitates sperm mobility. Fatih Karuya, a research scientist at the exobiology branch at NASA's Ames Research Center, told Inverse magazine. This is in line with other investigations on different model organisms which have shown that microgravity conditions trigger faster cell regeneration. The exobiology branch at Ames Research Center aims to understand prebiotic chemistry and the origin, evolution, distribution, and future of life in the universe. The main goal of such research is to better understand what's involved in creating habitable environments in emerging planetary systems. Studying sperm and how it acts in space makes sense, of course, for future generations that not only plan to visit other planets, but to raise families on them as well. Though, as my colleague Michelle Starr reported, sex in space comes with a whole bunch of unromantic complications, including motion sickness and a lack of ventilation for heavy breathing.